Hi everyone, welcome back to the Beginner's Unity course. In today's video, we'll dive into float and double variables, two essential data types used in Unity scripting. What is float? Float variables store decimal numbers with up to 7 significant digits of precision. They are perfect for most game development scenarios like positioning, scaling, and movement. What is double? Double variables, on the other hand, offer up to 15 to 16 digits of precision. They are used in situations where extremely accurate calculations are necessary, such as scientific simulations or high-detail financial systems. Float and double difference. The main difference between float and double is their precision and memory usage. Floats are lighter and faster but less precise. Doubles take more memory but are far more accurate. As always, we will start by declaring a float variable and printing it to the console. Let's go through this step by step. Alright, let's test it in the Unity editor now. Our code is working successfully. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the details and explore how everything is functioning. Let's create a float variable to represent health. We'll set it to a starting value, and then over time, we'll gradually reduce it, simulating the effective damage or time passing. This will allow us to see how the value changes in real time and give us a better understanding of how to handle dynamic values like health in Unity. To reinforce what we've learned, let's create another example. This time, we'll define to float variables for scores and calculate their average. By doing this, we'll practice how to work with multiple float values and perform basic mathematical operations on them. Let's get started and see the result. When the game restarts, we'll calculate the average of the two scores and print the result to the console. This will allow us to see how the scores are being managed and updated each time the game is reset. Let's take a look at both double and float together. Typically, the double data type is used in very specific, high-precision situations, while float is more commonly used for general purposes. The main difference is that double has a larger range and higher precision than float. Let's see how each behaves and when it's more appropriate to use one over the other. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching.